A servant's heart is what I need to follow and obey. My pleasure is to live for you, to do just as you say. On the altar is my life, a sacrifice for you. I live and breathe each moment, Lord, a willing slave for you. But Lord, you know I stumble hard. I hear the voices all around that mock and cause my heart to fear. Although you're always near, a servant I will choose to be. Yet when I'm weak, Lord, strengthen me. My eyes will never look behind. I cling to you, oh, you are mine. My master, oh, my master, a sacrifice for you. My eyes will never look behind. I cling to you, oh, you are mine. My master,